Okay, guys. Good morning. Scott Hoffer here. I am going to be showing you how you are going to be earning credits to email people, and you don't have to use your own email address for this. This is called the Evolution Mailer, and what you're going to do is you're going to want to click on the link that we've given you to set up your own account. Once you've done that, um, you are going to simply be receiving emails, and you're going to click on those emails, and it's going to give you a little message that says click here to earn credits. You're going to click there, you're going to view a little ad, and you're going to earn credits. Once you accrue so many credits, then you're going to be able to send out emails, and I'm going to give you a perfect example of this. um, okay, so you can put right here your subject line, then you put your text body, and down here, you're going to put in your DPS or your typist or your um, color for cash link, whichever. Right at the moment, I have 4,688 credits. So you just come down here and type in 4,688. Now you can save this. So when you earn credits, you just come back into saved messages, which is uh, on your templates part. You can save it as a template, and that way you don't have to type all that stuff back out again. And once you've got that done, you click the little send button, and boom, you have sent out however many emails. You're going to be getting emails on a daily basis, and you're going to be earning credits for that. And very, very simple stuff, guys. Very simple stuff. That's it. That's all there is.